Welcome, WordPress enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of WPThemeDetector, the ultimate tool for unraveling the secrets behind WordPress themes. Whether you're a developer, designer, or simply a curious user, this is the video you don't want to miss. Have you ever come across a stunning website and wondered which theme it's using? With WPThemeDetector, you can satisfy your curiosity in seconds. It's a powerful online tool that instantly identifies the WordPress theme and even the plugins being used on any website. Simply navigate to WPThemeDetector.com and enter the URL of the website you're curious about. Hit the Detect Theme button, and within moments, WPThemeDetector will do its magic. Boom! The results are in. WPThemeDetector not only tells you the name of the WordPress theme but also provides valuable information about the theme's author, version, and even a link to download it if it's available for free. Additionally, it uncovers the plugins being used, giving you insights into the site's functionality. But that's not all. WPThemeDetector goes above and beyond by providing you with similar themes and alternative options. Whether you're seeking inspiration for your next project or looking to explore different design possibilities, WPThemeDetector has got you covered. Ready to unlock the hidden secrets of WordPress themes? Head over to WPThemeDetector.com and start exploring today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more exciting videos.